Buying a home is a dream for many Indians, but the biggest challenge most people face is the same. Can I get a home loan with a low salary? The good news is, yes, you can, but only if you follow the right process. Banks don't approve loans based on salary alone. They look at your repayment capacity, credit behavior, and financial discipline. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple, practical, step-by-step guide that anyone with a low income can follow to increase their chances of getting a home loan approved. Let's begin. Before approaching any bank, understand how they calculate your eligibility. Most banks use this basic rule. You can spend up to 40 to 50% of your monthly salary on loan EMI. For example, if your salary is 20,000 rupees per month, your EMI should not exceed 8,000 to 10,000 rupees. This directly impacts how much loan you can get. Banks will also check your age, job stability, employment type, existing loan EMI's credit score. If your salary is low, the approved loan amount will also be lower unless you follow the next steps to boost eligibility. Your credit score is one of the most important factors. A score above 750 makes approval much easier. If your salary is low but your credit score is excellent, banks trust you more. To increase your score, pay all EMIs and credit card bills on time. Don't use more than 30% of your card limit. Avoid applying for multiple loans at once. Clear small outstanding dues. Even improving your score by 50 points can increase your loan eligibility significantly. Banks look at your FOIR, fixed obligation to income ratio. This means the percentage of income already going into EMIS. If you're already paying a bike loan, personal loan, or credit card EMI, your eligibility drops. Try to close small loans, pay off personal loan balances. Avoid buying anything on EMI during this period. Even eliminating one small EMI can increase your home loan eligibility by lakhs. This is one of the easiest ways to increase your loan approval chances. Your co-applicant can be your spouse, your parents, earning siblings. When you add a co-applicant, both incomes get combined. This immediately increases your eligible loan amount. For example, if you earn 18,000 rupees and your spouse earns 15,000 rupees, together banks will calculate eligibility on 33,000 rupees, not just your income. A simple trick that works for low salary applicants is choosing a longer repayment period. Instead of 15 years, choose 20 or 25 years. A longer tenure reduces the monthly EMI, which makes your application stronger. Yes, the total interest becomes higher, but if your main goal is loan approval, this is one of the easiest ways to qualify. If your income is low, don't target high-value properties in the beginning. Bank approvals depend on your repayment capacity, not the property price. Instead, look for Tier 2 or Tier 3 locations, smaller units, older resale flats, which cost less, properties under PMAY, if available. Once your income increases, you can upgrade later. Most people don't know this. Banks consider multiple income sources. If you earn from freelancing, part-time work, rental income, small business, agricultural income, you can show it as additional income. It must be traceable, meaning it should appear in your bank statement or financial documents. This can boost your eligibility by a huge margin. Different lenders have different criteria. Some are stricter, while some are flexible with low salary applicants. Generally, SBI, HDFC, ICICI, good for stable salaried applicants. NBFCs like Bajaj Finance, Tata Capital, India Bulls, small finance banks, consider lower incomes. Yes, NBFC interest rates may be slightly higher, but if your priority is getting a loan approved, these institutions are more supportive. You'll need to prepare Aadhaar, PAN salary slips, last 3 to 6 months. Bank statements last 6 to 12 months. Form 16 or ITR employer certificate, property documents once chosen. Organized paperwork gives banks confidence that you are financially disciplined. Getting a home loan on a low salary may seem difficult, but it's absolutely possible when you approach it smartly. Improve your credit score, reduce existing EMIs, choose the right bank, add a co-applicant, and plan your budget realistically. Follow this step-by-step guide, and you will dramatically increase your chances of getting your loan approved, even if your income is limited. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is planning to buy a home soon. Thanks for watching.